Mathematicians, here we go. Today we're going to solve equations by combining like terms. Super excited about it because guess what I love to do? I love to solve equations and I love to combine like terms. So now I get to put it all together into one fantastic math problem. Let's take a look at the first one. The first one is 4a plus 2a equals -6. I'm just trying to figure out what in the world is A. Here we go. So the first thing I do is I combine my like terms. If I have 4a plus 2a, that's going to give me a 6a equals -6. Now I have multiply by 6. If I want to undo the multiply by 6, I'm going to divide by 6. And I have to do it on both sides. 6 divided by 6 gives me 1. 1 times a is 1a, and my a is all alone, which is exactly what I was hoping for. Now I do -6 divided by 6, and that gives me a -1. So a equals -1. Now I check it, and I fill -1 in for all of my a's. So I have 4 times a, which is -1, plus 2 times a, which is -1. 4 times -1 gives me -4, plus 2 times -1, which gives me -2. -4 plus -2 gives me -6. Look, you made a match. Look at it now. You have a -6 and a -6. So I know that my answer, A equals -1, is totally correct, which makes me very happy. Here we go. Let's try another one. I might have a problem like this. -4n minus 3n minus 6 equals 36. I have to combine my like terms. So to combine my like terms, I'm going to start by looking at my n's. I have -4n minus 3n. I could stop, chop this so that I'm dealing with addition. Sometimes that makes it a little more clear that -4n plus -3n should be -7n. Minus 6 equals 36. Now I have a two-step equation. I have a subtract 6. I'm going to undo that subtracting 6 first by adding 6 to each side. -6 plus 6 gives me 0, and I have -7n equals 36 plus 6, which is 42. Now I have a one-step equation. I have multiply by -7. To undo multiplication, I use division. -7 divided by -7 gives me 1. 1 times n is n. 42 divided by -7 gives me a -6. This, my friends, is the solution to my equation, and now I'm going to check my work. Check it out. I'm going to fill in -6 wherever I see an n. -4 times -6 plus -3 times -6 minus 6. I take care of my multiplication first. -4 times -6 gives me 24, plus -3 times -6 gives me 18 minus 6. Now I add and subtract from left to right. 24 plus 18. 24 plus 18 is going to give me 42. And 42 minus 6 gives me 36. I take a look. I have 36 and 36. We made a match. Look at us now. Now we know that n equals -6 is the correct answer, and we can light it up with a lot of smiles because we are right on track.